Are your Google Ads getting impressions but very few clicks or conversions? One possible reason might be your ad group structure. So many beginners either add too many keywords into one ad group, or they create too many tiny ad groups with only one keyword. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and in this video I'll explain how many keywords should actually be in one ad group and why this simple structure can improve your campaign performance. First, let's understand why the number of keywords in an ad group actually matters. An ad group should contain closely related keywords. Why? Because Google uses your keywords to decide which searches trigger your ads, and your ads should be highly relevant to those searches. So if your ad group contains too many unrelated keywords, your ads become less relevant, and that can lead to a lower click-through rate, a lower quality score, and higher cost per click. So what is the recommended number of keywords per ad group? A good rule for beginner is 5 to 15 keywords per ad group, because this gives you enough keyword coverage while still keeping the ad group focus. So your keywords, they should all represent very similar search intent. So let's look at a practical example. I just set up a Google Ads campaign for a taxi company in Melbourne. So instead of putting all the keywords into one single ad group, I organized the ad groups like that. So I organize like a call or phone ad group, like with a specific call to action to call. Then I organize like a general Taxi Melbourne like company ad group. I organize a specific ad group for all the searches related to airport, like airport drop-off or airport transfers. And then I organized one ad group with the order or booking focus, like that you can pre-book or schedule your ride. So you can see that each ad group focuses on a slightly different search intent, which allows you to create more relevant ads. So let's check out the different ad groups. Here I click on the call phone one, and here you can see all the keywords I was using. You can see that we were using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords in that ad group. And this is the ad group which focuses on the airport related searches. You can see that I included keywords like taxi from Melbourne Airport or taxi to Melbourne Airport. And yeah, it's 5 keywords as well. And now I'm going to explain you what you should not do. So some beginners, they're creating ad groups with 30, 40 or even more keywords. The problem is that these keywords often represent different search intents. For example, you have maybe airport transfer Melbourne and you have corporate transfer Melbourne. So these are different services, and using the same ad for both of them will reduce the relevance of the ad. So lower relevance often means like a lower CTR, a lower quality score, and a higher cost per click. So here actually I show you how to not do it. This would be an example if we're putting all the different keywords into one single ad group. Here's the ad group. So we will mix the keywords like that. We can do taxi, like very broad. This is far too broad, by the way. Then we would do airport cab or airport taxi service, book taxi online. So you can see that it's too many different search intents in the same ad group, and that's not good. And on the other hand, some advertisers go the opposite extreme. They create only one keyword per ad group. Why this is a problem as well. So you end up with too many ad groups, too many ads, and too much maintenance. So for beginners, a slightly broader structure usually works better. At the end, I want to give you a simple rule to remember. So use about 5 to 15 closely related keywords per ad group, and make sure all the keywords inside the ad group share the same search intent. This keeps your ad relevant and your campaigns easier to optimize. If this video helped you better understand how to structure your Google Ads campaigns, feel free to subscribe my channel for more beginner-friendly Google Ads tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.